Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Viction coin. Ticker symbol is VIC. Now this project was formerly known as Tomochain and they've changed their name and they just got a brand new central exchange listing. So we're going to go over the information on the Viction coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. So, this coin, the Viction coin, just got listed November 27th on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to buy the Vic coin, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Excuse me. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search VIC, and then simply just buy the Viction coin. So Viction is a people-centric layer 1 blockchain that provides zero gas transactions and heightened security, making Web3 accessible and safe for everyone. So they have a digital assets platform, and it says their Twitter here is @BuildOnViction, formerly known as Tomochain. So I might have done a video way back in the past about Tomochain, but yeah, obviously there's some new things involved with this project here. So it says, we are thrilled to introduce Viction, a brand new identity for blockchain driven by a deeper purpose. We're here to make a meaningful impact on humanity and the Web3 community. So their webpage is viction.xyz. So it says a new Tomochain's identity for the victory vision. So maybe it's a combination of the word victory and vision, and we got Viction. Viction is the new name for Tomochain, a well-established blockchain for half a decade. Despite external factors causing fluctuation in the blockchain world, our decision to transform has been carefully considered and nurtured. This change is not only necessary for us, but also stems from our deep desire to make a more meaningful impact on humanity and the Web3 community. So remembered in 2017, when the blockchain market was still in its infancy, Tomochain embarked on an ambitious journey to tackle the pressing challenges of scalability and security within blockchain networks. We started our journey with a few small victories, laying the foundation for a sustainable blockchain capable of serving millions of users, and we couldn't be more thankful for the constant support from our amazing community. Back then, our main objective was all about creating an efficient blockchain platform for decentralized applications, solely driven by our passion for technology. However, as we embarked on a dedicated 5-year technological journey, we quickly realized that achieving mass adoption might have been more challenging than anticipated. During the continuing journey, we couldn't shake the feeling that something important was missing. This made us pause and reflect on the bigger picture. We began to realize the intriguing pattern. Even though there was numerous infrastructure options to serve billions of users, a significant number of users were still unable to comprehend the importance of embracing Web3. So while we keep progressing with innovative products and expanding infrastructure, we find ourselves constantly pondering what's next, what truly drives the progress of blockchain technology. This newfound clarity led us to embark on something different, something more impactful as we strive to make a meaningful difference in the world. We have chosen to redirect our focus on and position ourselves as a platform for unlocking human potential to inject genuine meaning into technological development. Along with this new direction, we have chosen an entirely new brand name, introducing a refreshing visual identity, made plans to change the ticker symbol, and above all, develop a fresh vision, mission, and core values that inspire and guide us forward. As part of this transition, we have officially shifted to Viction.xyz and anticipate a gradual overall transmission over the next over the next 6 to 12 months. We spent countless nights searching for a new name. So Viction, combination of vision and victory. Embracing this name, a new journey takes an endless path known as expanding vision. We are expanding our vision to bring immense value to people's lives through blockchain technology, enabling individuals to reach greater heights and discover the true potential. So it has their new logo, which is those two lines that kind of go like that. And they have the new ticker symbol, VIC, formerly TOMO, short for Tomo. And so paving the path forward. They're going to be aiming to connect businesses, investors, developers, and the general public, not just focusing on one group. So that is basically their new introduction. Now it says what they're actually trying to do. If you go over to their webpage, it says they are building an open and secure world where humanity flourishes. Layer 1 blockchain that has the drive and ability to impact, enable, and empower people through a commitment to accessibility, education, and community. You can build on Viction, fueling innovation and fostering a future where every vision has the potential to become a victory. Even with vision, we journey together towards a brighter and more inclusive future. So they have very minimal gas fees. It says basically $0.0001, 2-second block time, 2,000 transactions per second, 880 million plus mainnet transactions, 150 master nodes, a platform for potential. They have gaming, they have consumer apps, they have decentralized finance, and yeah, they have some partners on here as well, encouraging mass adoption with Pith, Layer 0, and Covalent. And yeah, so they empower human potential. And at the very bottom of their webpage, if you want to read more, they do have socials, Telegram, Discord, Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find all this info. They go over the Tomo Foundation, blog articles, brand assets, developer's guide if you want to develop, Block Explorer, masternodes, hackathon, network status, events, ambassadors, community hub, ecosystem, etc. Check it all out, Viction.xyz, and you can find this coin newly listed on Bitmart. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment, check out the referral codes, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.